International Space Station 262 statute miles over the east coast of Georgia, now about to pass over the Atlantic Ocean. The space station itself traveling at 17,500 miles per hour. From some of these views, you can see the Bahamas. Again, the Bahamas are expected to be affected by Hurricane Dorian over the weekend. And predictions now estimate a landfall Monday night. Space station now just east over the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of Florida. We're seeing some of the eye from some of the high-definition cameras on the outside of the space station, the eye of Dorian. Again, the space station currently tracking west of the storm. Updates from just about an hour and 20 minutes ago from the National Hurricane Center reported Dorian as a Category 2 hurricane. It's expected to increase in force throughout these next few days before it makes landfall. The eye of Dorian very clear from this view. Space Station 261 statute miles just east off the coast of some of the northern islands of the Bahamas. The formation of the eye of the Category 2 Hurricane Dorian becoming very clear. The space station 261 statute miles just east off the coast of some of the central islands of the Bahamas, now passing almost directly over the eye of the Category 2 Dorian hurricane. Again, reports from the National Hurricane Center reported Hurricane Dorian as a Category 2 from 11 a.m. Eastern, 10 Central. Speeds maxing out at about 110 miles an hour. Again, Dorian traveling at a northwest track at about 10 miles per hour. Predictions now put it at landfall over the eastern coast of Florida sometime late Monday, Labor Day night into early Tuesday. International Space Station now passing south over Hurricane Dorian, 261 statute miles right over the Turks and Caicos Islands. Again, from that vantage point of about 261 statute miles from the International Space Station, astronauts on board can see just about 1,000 miles in any given direction. From end to end, about a 2,000 mile spread from that vantage point, 260 miles up. Again, these views are live. The International Space Station, 261 statute miles over the eastern coast of the Dominican Republic right now, traveling 17,500 miles per hour just south of the storm, Hurricane Dorian. Again, the storm itself on a northwest track traveling right now, reported at 10 Central, 11 Eastern, traveling on a northwest track at 10 miles per hour. That expected to build in terms of intensity and make landfall late Monday night, Labor Day night. National Hurricane Centers report that it might be too soon to determine just how strong this hurricane will get, but predictions put it at about a hurricane, Category 4 hurricane at the time of landfall. Again, these are early predictions and these reports from just about an hour and a half ago. Space station itself continuing on a southeasterly track just north off the coast of Venezuela, passing west from the island of St. Lucia. Still getting some views of the massive storm that's 255 miles east of the islands of the Bahamas. Again, the cameras themselves being controlled by flight controllers here in Mission Control Houston. Views of the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico coming into view now. Space station itself 261 statute miles on a southeasterly track just south of the coast of Grenada. Space station 261 statute miles right over the northern coast of Venezuela. And starting to lose sight of Hurricane Dorian, that is 255 miles east of the islands of the Bahamas, as the space station itself flies 261 statute miles over central Guyana.